Welcome back, guys, and today we're gonna make some jerk shrimp rasta pasta. We have heavy cream, we have onion powder, we have garlic powder, we have the shrimp already seasoned it from last time, but we're gonna show you what we use. Yeah, so let's get into it. Yeah man, so we start by cutting up our bell peppers, with the different colors, green, yellow, red, Rasta theme. Yeah man, cut up the onion and the garlic. Now we can't cook without the garlic. And we have the pepper. Yeah, cut up everything. Yeah man. So this is what we basically use, jerk season, and we use a little garlic powder and onion powder and grace jerk wet seasoning. That's basically it. Overpower the shrimp, like the shrimp flavor, So yeah man, then we have a grill, grill the shrimp, make it have this jerk taste. You know what I mean? Yes, so you have a more jerk flavor instead of you frying it. You know what I mean? So yeah. Is it. Okay, now so we're going to saute our bell peppers, onion, garlic, pepper. So add some jerk seasoning, right? Yeah, about a tablespoon. Less than a tablespoon. Stir that in. Yeah, man. Then we're going to add your wet jerk seasoning. Add a little bit, not a lot. You don't want it too spicy. Just to get a jerk flavor. A jerk flavor the way I look for. Yeah. The pasta nice, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Alright, we're gonna add in the cheese. We're adding some pepper jack cheese. You can use the black one or you can use the shredded one. It doesn't really matter. That's the flavor you want. Yeah, we're gonna add some heavy cream. It's a nice cream flavor. And then we're gonna add some Alfredo sauce. It depends, you have different flavor Alfredo sauce. You get the one where the garlic parmesan, give it a more, give it a nicer flavor. Yeah, nice and creamy. Yeah, man. After adding the cheese and everything, we make it simmer for like 3 minutes. Yeah. Now we're gonna add a little black pepper, and then we start adding the pasta. We're already cooked, al dente. You don't want it too soft. Yeah, man. guys. Yeah man, nice and creamy. Yeah man, that is it. And remember to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share. Yeah man, help out the channel. That is it. Thanks for watching.